Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to reduce space between lines in Excel cells. Okay, let's begin. Reduce space cells. Okay, and select table. Remove this space. Text space. Go to friend and select. Oh, sorry. Go to home tab and find and select. Replace space on. Remove space on. Replace all this. Okay, then close. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.